So I did a quick run in Burlington while my daughter was getting off work. I just want to see what they had. Little shell tops. You know I love me some shell. I don't know what kind of Pumas these are. NMDs, yo. These used to have people going crazy. It's a size 10. It's not bad though. I don't know what they are. These Reeboks are kind of nice. 35 ain't bad. Yeah, I don't see too much, y'all. What the hell are the hell? One thing about Burlington though, it's either gonna be like a hit or a miss. I thought they had some odds. Like it's either gonna be a hit or miss. It's gonna be real good, or it's gonna be like really, really bad. They got the Hokas. Oh no, that's Reeboks. Yeah, man, it ain't. Should I get these, y'all? The M's for Matt? What y'all think? Yeah. Y'all see anything? It looked like somebody wore them and returned them, John. Burlington, y'all gotta do better. Bill, there's another pair. Look like somebody wore and returned. Nasty work, Burlington. Let's see. Nah. Nothing this time, folks. Nothing this time. What's these Docs? They not bad. Sorry for the terrible camera work. I'm actually trying to look as I record. It's crazy. Yeah, they don't have anything this time. Normally you can find something, but Jesus. Nope. Alright, y'all. Oh, they got the true. Nah. It look like somebody wore them too. It's crazy.